It's a 2018 Cadillac ATS sedan. Blending power, response, and expression into an extraordinary sports sedan. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, Cadillac Q external memory control, manual tilting steering column, rear-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com points out the balance the ATS exhibits comes via a 50-50 weight distribution and well-tuned standard FE2 suspension, including Cadillac's first ever 5-link independent rear setup. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.